Alright, DIY enthusiasts, today I'm going to show you how to master the art of making a killer paper airplane in just 3 minutes. That's right, it's time to unleash your inner kid and get those creative juices flowing. Let's dive right in. First up, grab a standard A4 sheet of paper. Lay it flat on your work surface. Now fold it in half lengthwise. You want to crease it well, so run your finger along the fold to make it nice and crisp. Open it back up. This crease is our guiding line. Next, fold the top 2 corners down to the center crease, forming a triangle. Make sure the edges are sharp. This is the nose of our plane. Got it? Great. Now fold the triangle down so the tip meets the bottom edge of the paper. You should have a smaller triangle now. Crease it well. Then, fold the top 2 corners down to the center again, but this time, leaving a small gap at the top. This creates a little flap over the nose. Fold that little flap upwards over the 2 corners to lock them in place. This helps keep the nose of our plane sturdy. Now fold the entire paper in half along the original center crease, but with the folds on the outside. We're almost there. For the wings, fold down each side so the top edges are aligned with the bottom edge of the plane's body. You want the wings to be symmetrical for the best flight. Give those wings a good crease, and voila, you've got yourself a sleek paper airplane. But wait, let's make it fly like a pro. Hold the plane with your thumb on the bottom and your index finger on top near the nose. Give it a gentle toss with a flick of your wrist. Watch it soar. If it dives or veers off, adjust the wings slightly up or down to balance it out. And there you have it. In under 3 minutes, you've mastered the art of making a paper airplane. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try different paper types and folding techniques to see what flies best. If you enjoyed this quick DIY, hit that like button and subscribe for more fun and easy projects. Thanks for tuning in and happy flying. Catch you next time. Now let's talk a bit about the science behind paper airplanes. The key to a great flight is balance and symmetry. When you fold your plane, make sure both sides are as identical as possible. This ensures that the air flows evenly over the wings, giving you a smooth, stable flight. If your plane tends to dive, it might be nose-heavy. Try bending the back edges of the wings upwards slightly. This can help lift the nose and keep your plane in the air longer. On the other hand, if your plane stalls and falls quickly, it might be tail-heavy. In this case, bend the back edges of the wings down a bit to balance it out. Experiment with different throws too. A gentle toss with a flick of the wrist usually works best, but sometimes a bit more force can give you a longer flight. And don't forget, the type of paper you use can make a big difference. Thicker paper can make your plane sturdier, but it might not fly as far. Thinner paper can give you a longer flight, but it might be more fragile. You can also get creative with your designs. Try using colored paper or adding decorations to make your plane stand out. Just make sure any additions are balanced so they don't affect the flight. And there you have it. With these tips and tricks, you're well on your way to becoming a paper airplane pro. So grab some paper, start folding, and see how far you can make your plane fly. Happy crafting!